chemistry class, and the topic is simple. We know the topic as acids, and by the definition, acid is a substance that produces hydrogen ion when dissolved it in water as only positive ion. Are we together? That's the meaning of acid. And I don't know if you have come across acid before. For example, in the what they call the dry cell of your various vehicles, when you remove the battery, the liquid inside, when you pour it out, you discover that there's something coming out from it. Some people call it electrolyte. Are we together? And that is a diluted H2SO4. Are we together? Because if it's to be made concentrated, it will affect our body because we are used to it. But today, we just want to have a basic knowledge of what this acid is and the type and how did it ionize in water. Are we together? Like what we have now, that acid is a substance that produces hydrogen ion as the only positive ion when dissolved in water. Okay? Then what are the classes of this acid? The classes are just two. We know it as organic and inorganic. Are we together? Then when we're talking about organic acid, we are referring to the natural acid. Example, when you pluck this unripe pineapple, you cut it, you discover that there's some fluid coming out from the pineapple. That is acid. Are you together? When you taste it, you discover that the taste is somehow. It's sour, it's sour. Are you getting me? That's a good example of acid in natural form. Okay? Then, when we're talking about inorganic acid, they are the one, we call them processed acids. For example, we can process acid by adding what they call the basic, the alkali, together with the menthol. Are you getting me? Then we get acid. Then in industry where they are producing acid for the battery dry cell, also they make use of this menthol the other, they add them together, then they generate acid from it. Okay? So in this we refer to this one as a processed acid. Are we together? Then that's why we can come across it here that organic acids are natural acids that occur in nature, e.g. vinegar. Are we together? The inorganic acids are processed acids from natural materials, e.g. HCl, H2SO4, etc. Do we get it? Then, now apart from the classes, we have types. Are we? The types are just of two. The same way we have the classes. We have weak acid and we have strong one. Then when it comes to the strong acid, they ionize completely. Are we together? In water to produce hydrogen ion and anion. And what do you mean by hydrogen ion and anion? We are referring to the positive state of the acid and the negative state of the acid. Are we together? This is the positive state and this is the negative state. So this is cation, this is anion. Are we together? Okay? Then in terms of weak acid, these are the acids that ionize partially when dissolved in water to produce hydrogen ion. Do we get it? Good. Then when we're talking about this, I was saying something here that we have cation, we have anion. Then this basicity is the one that's going to show us how do we come across cation and anion, the acid. And in this place, basic of acid is the number of replaceable hydrogen ion in one molecule of acid. For example, when you have HCl, then we are going to determine the basicity of this following acid and some others. Okay, from what we have on the board, I will just show you how we can derive our basicity. And I told you the meaning of the basicity of acid is the number of replaceable of hydrogen ion in one molecule of acid. Are we together? Then we have several examples of acid here. HCl, that's the formula. Then in ion that produces, we produce hydrogen and we produce chlorine at the same time. Then I told you about cation and anion. Our cation is the hydrogen while the anion is chlorine. Then the basicity of this is what? We have defined the number of hydrogen we have in this copper. Are we together? So how many hydrogen do we have now? It's 1. So our basicity is just 1. in case you come across them in Jump or your wife's objective, they do have some these. Then they will write the compound as you will define the basicity. Altogether, this house will define them. So how many hydrogen do we have here? Huh? It's 2. So we have 2 basicity of hydrogen ion. Then here, how many? It's 3. So I want to give you this classwork